Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a playlist on the TikTok. So this is the new feature by the TikTok. Now you can make a playlist of your content on your TikTok profile. So process is pretty simple. First of all, open your Play Store mobile application, and from here you have to search for the TikTok. Once you will search for it, you will see an update button here. Simply you have to update your TikTok from here. So once you will update your TikTok from here, simply open your TikTok, and now you have to click on your profile me from the right bottom. And once you will click on it, you will see screen like this. You will see an add playlist button here. You have to tap on that and sort your content according to your choice by categorizing like funny videos, sad videos, or other like that. So in this way you can make playlist on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.